I guess there's no turning back now. Welcome to a very special DadBuilt. After months of planning, today is officially day one of construction on the new pool project. I can't wait to show you the progress, and we're gonna see together how this yard transforms completely in just one day. You're not gonna wanna miss this. When I woke up this morning, the backyard looked completely different, and by the end of the day, we had a pool. The excavator wasted no time turning this plan into a reality. As soon as I saw that fence come down, I knew this was real. It tore up this whole patio in like 20 minutes. It was the coolest thing to see. I love how it just peels the concrete up like paper. Absolutely amazing. Watch it scoop these arborvitae trees out like butter. It's totally wild to see them come out so easy when it was so physical to put them in. Now we just got to get this hot tub out of the way and we can start digging. Now at this point, they actually started to dig the pool hole. Honestly, this backyard has been completely destroyed. This is where it hit me on how big this project really is. And finally, the moment we had all been waiting for, the pool shell was here, and I just couldn't believe that they were gonna fit this thing between the houses. It was really fun to watch. For a moment, I thought it was gonna hit the house. That was close. By the afternoon, this tanker showed up to fill the pool. The plan is to fill half today and half tomorrow, but this tanker is capable of filling 5,000 gallons in about 10 minutes. The water tanker left, and that was the end of day one. Okay, day one is officially in the books, and we're gonna go check on the progress that they made. You can see here, they took down the fence, they took down part of the neighbor's fence as well. Let's see what's going on. Wow. I just can't believe that. This whole space is completely transformed in less than a day. I just think about what this area looked like this morning and what it looks like now. It's just completely amazing. All right, let's check out the pool first, because that's what this is all about. Here it is. Excited about this. So this is 14 feet this way and 29 feet this way. And molded in, you've got steps at each corner. You also have a nice seating bench here in the shallow end. I think that's gonna be cool. There's also seating end down there in the deep end, which is cool. Wow, looks great. Okay, let's do just a loop around, see what else we can see. You've got gravel over here. That's all going around the pool to fill it in. I saw them down here leveling everything out. Let's see if I can get up in there. Those are these foundation blocks that they use to keep these shallow ends level. Here's the hot tub in its temporary home for the next 60 days or so. They just picked up a big old chunk of concrete and moved that thing over here. All right, we're right at the corner. That's interesting. They had to cut through the drain pipe here. And then down here you've got, or over here you've got the equipment pad. This is where pool pumps and tubing is gonna run. So you can see they had to dig down and dig a trench down into the pool cavity. So when they run the plumbing for everything on this pool, it's gonna go through that. But wow, again, I just can't believe the transformation of this yard in one day. And something I keep telling myself, I need to temper my expectations because this is a 60-day project. There's gonna be the most visible change on day one. And then days 2 through 60 are probably gonna be a lot of little changes and maybe even periods of inactivity. So I wanna keep my expectations reasonable. So here's something I see. This black pipe sticking out here connects over to this black pipe here. That's irrigation line that they had to cut through. And this big pipe sticking up here, I believe is a vent pipe. All right. Day 1 is in the books. Can't wait till day 60. Thanks for watching. I'm really glad you tuned into this Dad Built Pool series. Make sure you check out the channel for the other episodes in the series, as well as very exciting updates coming soon. And if you're into other DIY stuff, check out the channel. I've got lots of videos on there, different tips, tricks, and projects for DIY dads. I would love it if you join the crew. Until then, I'll see you next time.